Now, what is the income of the husband?
He has not filed his assets and liabilities in the trial court, my lords. I am told that it is over 1.5 lakh per month.
She's also earning, my lord. She's also getting more than 35,000.
Now,
As on this date, I am unemployed. I was forced to resign from my work.
she left the petitioner, left the husband in view of the different disputes. She's staying with her younger sister in the rented house. And out of the wedlock, they're blessed with a boy and who are blessed with a girl. And she's suffering from speech-related problem and taking treatment. Petitioner's monthly income is 16,500.
As on the date, I was working. My assets and liabilities disclosed that I was working.
Petition, she is not disclosed her job status. After filing our objection, we make submission. As after that only she admitted.
The salary of the husband is 1,50,000 per month. And he is having other mobile and immobile. Her salary was rupees 35,869. What is this? So by these kind of petitions, income is 16,500. You should say, what is your salary?
Kindly peruse her petition, my lord.
Yes.
Lords, and for the petitioner wife in the main matter, my lords, I am seeking enhancement of interim maintenance, my lords. 15,000 is what is granted, my lords. In my application, I had sought 30,000 as interim maintenance, my lords. 30,000 as interim maintenance is what I sought under IA number 2. What is being granted is 15,000, my lords. I have filed this writ petition seeking enhancement of the interim maintenance, my lords. My ground is that.
Questioning the maintenance.
Yes, my lords.
Now, what is the income of the husband?
He has not filed his assets and liabilities in the trial court, my lords. I am told that it is over 1.5 lakh per month.
But basing on what the court had granted?
My lords, I'll come to that. I had filed my statement of assets and liabilities.
What is your
As on the
qualification?
BSc, my lords. As on the date of
How long you were together? When was the marriage?
2013, my lords.
2013.
2013.
Separated when?
Separated. There's a dispute regarding when they got
For
separated.
your case.
15, my lords.
MC is filed when?
My lords, this is interim maintenance, my lords. That is what.
That is under 125.
125, my lords.
Which year?
2022, my lords.
You also not filed your statement of assets and liabilities?
I have filed, my lords. The trial court proceeds on that basis, my lords.
Why you have not filed?
Lord, the matter was referred for mediation. Meantime, the case posted for hearing on IA, my lord. Meantime, the order was passed, my lord.
Now, we'll set aside this order and remand the matter to the court below for further consideration. And you will continue to pay this 15,000 till the application is decided.
Before, my lord, I'm previously also I'm paying 10,000 for the maintenance to the respondent.
Is it correct?
Towards
Petition itself, they are
the
updated, my lord.
child's fee, claiming to be the school's
Not
fee,
only
that is what is being
I'm
paid.
also paying the child fee also till 2020.
My lords, let me complete.
2022. What has happened after that?
After that, she filed maintenance case before the family court.
That's why you stopped paying.
And not like that, she's also earning, my lord. She's also getting more than 35,000.
Now, because the only why the matter has to be remanded now is because of the lapses on your part in not filing the statement of assets and liabilities. For that, the order has to continue. Let the court decide basing on your statement. Till such time, this order, the payment of 15,000 will be operative. Please come.
My lords, I have one more submission. As on this date, I am unemployed. I was forced to resign from my work because I was working from home.
That aspect we are not going into now.
Very well, my lords. In that case, my lords, I have another submission to make. I have filed a petition under 125(3) for execution of this interim order. He has not paid any maintenance as of now, even after the order.
You're all independent.
Very well.
That is for him. Now, as long as this 15,000 order will be in force.
Very well.
As any order is passed. So he has to rush before the court for filing all relevant documents.
Very well.
And the execution, everything is open to you.
Very well. Much obliged.
The agreed with the order passed in. Where is the order?
Annexure A, my lords, page 21 onwards.
Agreed with the order passed in criminal
miscellaneous 562 of 2022, my lords. Relevant page is page 23.
Agreed with the orders passed in C miscellaneous 560 in IA number 2. in C miscellaneous 562 of 2022, dated 22 to 2000?
24, my lords.
24.
22 to 2024, both the husband and wife are before this court. Husband, your first is yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Wife had filed WP 13794 of 2024 seeking enhancement of maintenance, and the husband had filed WP 12772 of 2024 seeking questioning the maintenance granted. In WP 12772 of 2024, Mr. Vinayak S. Pandit takes notice, is directed to take notice on behalf of respondent. The wife had filed IN number 2 in C miscellaneous 562 of 2022, seeking interim maintenance of an amount of rupees 30,000 per month. It is her case that she is a BSc graduate, and she's after she left the petitioner, left the husband in view of the different disputes, she's staying with her younger sister in the rented house, and out of the wedlock they're blessed with a boy, and who are blessed with a girl who is aged about 10 years.
No, 11 years. Ma'am.
I'm looking from the order, 10 years. And she's suffering from speech-related problem and taking treatment
One
for the said
submission.
issue. It is a case that petitioner's monthly income is 16,000. What is petitioner's monthly income is 16,500.
She's,
As on the date, I was working. My assets and liabilities disclosed that I was working.
my lord, she's not-
subsequent-
Working and her income is 16,500.
As on the date of filing of
in
application.
submission.
He has,
In our entire petition, she is not disclosed her job status. After filing our objection, we make submission. As after that only she admitted her.
according to her, she
35,000.
paid an amount of rupees 8,60,000 to purchase the flat. And it is a joint ownership. And according to her, the salary of the husband is 1,50,000 per month. And he is having other mobile and immobile assets. And a fixed deposit of rupees 10 lakh. And she has placed before the court a place which discloses her salary was rupees 35,869. What is this?
It was told basic pay and the other incentives and all
Her
of.
salary,
Yes, my lords. That as on that date, my lords. Now she is unemployed.
36,000. Why these kind of petitions income is 16,500? You should say, what is your salary?
Kindly peruse her petition, my lord. Page number 33.
More than 35,000 per month. She also produced the bank statements and other documents. The court observed that the husband had not filed his objections or complied the order of filing of assets and liabilities. Wife had filed a statement of assets and liabilities. Court considered the income as rupees 16,500 and the fact that she has to take care of herself and her daughter. The court granted an amount of rupees 15,000 per month as maintenance. Next, land counsel appearing for the petitioner wife submits that when the salary of the husband is almost more than 1.5 lakh, the court had granted only an amount of rupees 15,000 as maintenance, which is not sufficient to maintain herself and the daughter. It is submitted that though she was working as on that day, now she is unemployed.
As on the date of filing of the
As
application.
on the date of filing of the application, but later she lost her job and she was not working.
My lords, I have produced the resignation letter also, my lords.
Why
Next to the-
resign?
She can work, my lord.
Work from
Still she
home.
can
That
work,
would-
my lord.
I was working from home. After the COVID-induced lockdown was eased, I was asked to come back to the office. And I could not do that because I had to take care of the speech impaired child. So she
And I
needs
should take care
attention.
of the child. And no permission was granted to work from home. She had resigned the job. According to the land counsel, the petitioner, she's not working. and the court below ought not to have ought to have granted the amount of the 30,000 as maintenance. Next para, when counsel appearing for the husband submits that the court that as the matter was referred to mediation, he could not file his statement of assets and liabilities. It is submitted that initially the wife had not disclosed about her
Employment.
job and income, and later the same was disclosed. It is submitted that the true facts are not placed before the court. It is submitted that he is paying 10,000 till the petition is filed for the child. It is submitted that if an opportunity is given to the petitioner to file a statement of assets and liabilities, he would be able to the two facts will come to light, and it would help the petitioner as well the husband. It is also in the interest of the wife that once the statement of assets and liabilities are passed, she can also she can file her objection, and also she can present her case. This court, having got the counsels on either side, peruse the material on the court. The dispute, the court had granted, the wife had sought for 30,000, court had granted 15,000. It is a case of the wife that she's working, and later she decided as she had to take care of the daughter. The husband has not filed the statement of assets and liabilities. Unless the statement of assets and liabilities is filed, it cannot be decided. The court cannot come to a just conclusion what is the income of the husband and how much maintenance the wife is entitled. The husband ought to have filed the statement of assets and liabilities when an opportunity is given to him. Considering all these aspects, the order impugned before this court is set aside. However, till the application for the interim maintenance is decided, the husband shall continue to pay 15,000 per month. The next point, 15,000 per month, and the arrears of maintenance, if any, till the order is passed by the court below, shall be treated as 15,000.